Hi guys, I'm Kanak. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare rajma. It is a very popular and famous North Indian veg main course consisting of red kidney beans in thick gravy of onion and tomato base. So let's see what you need for this. Here I've soaked the rajma or red kidney beans in water overnight and then drain it and boil in a pressure cooker with some oil and 2-3 cups of water until 4 to 5 whistles. Once that is done, strain the rajma and reserve the water for later. Now heat a wok and pour some oil. Once it is warm, add the bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom and cloves and stir it for few seconds. Next add the asafoetida and the cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to crackle. After that, add the onions, and saute until little transparent. Also add the ginger garlic crushed and the green chilies and saute until onions become little soft and changes its color. Now mix the red chilli powder, turmeric powder and the coriander powder and mix well. Saute it for a minute. While stirring, take care not to burn it and immediately add the tomatoes and stir it. Cover it and cook until all the tomatoes are nicely cooked and get smashed and starts oozing out some oil. Once that is done, now I am going to add the cooked rajma and saute it for a minute. Also add the rajma cooked water and bring it to a good boil, and once it comes to a boil, then cover it with the lid and simmer it for around 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Now remove the lid and check and mix it again. Now add salt, crushed kasuri methi, dry mango powder and garam masala powder and stir to mix well. Simmer it on slow flame for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the gravy becomes little thick. Now put lots of fresh coriander leaves and mix well. If you want, you can add the boiled rice at this point of time and mix well and serve hot, but I prefer to serve the rajma gravy on top of the rice. So now switch off the flame and pour it on the prepared boiled rice this way as I am doing, with some fresh coriander on the top. So my rajma is ready and all the beans are nicely coated with the thick gravy. It is full of nutrients and perfect for lunch or dinners, and it goes very well with some steamed rice or any roti on the side. It is basically a very comfort food and easy to prepare. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.